Now let us see the second question of MES 016 Education and Research, and it is: describe briefly the components of a research report. And here the answer could be in this way. Actually, research reports are recorded data that is prepared by the researchers or the statisticians after analyzing information gathered by conducting organized research, typically in the form of surveys or qualitative methods. The primary motive of research report is to convey integral data about a study for marketers to consider while designing new strategies. There should be a clean and structured format for their reports to be effective in relaying information. It is a reliable source to recount details about a conducted research and is most often considered to be a true testimony of all the work done to garner the specificities of research. Now, what are the components of a research report? It includes summary, nextly introduction, then the implemented method, nextly results, then deliberation, and finally is the conclusion. So now let us see what is summary. Summary is actually, it explains that what we wrote in the report. Okay, it emphasizes our conclusions and includes only the essential and significant information to support the conclusions. And summary should be made concise. And no new information must be included in summary that is not in our report. Now, introduction. Introduction should briefly describe the context and background to the research. It should describe the change, the problems to be reported. It defines the specific objectives and the purposes of report. Introduction must also indicate the overall answer to the problem explored in report. It outlines the report scope. It previews the report's structure. It comments on the limitations of the report and any assumptions that are made. Next is research methodology. This is the most important section of the report, where all the essential informations actually are lying. Readers can gain data for the topic along with analyzing the quality of provided content, and the research can also be approved by other market researchers. Here the data is expressed in chronological order according to its priority and importance. It is also including the references in case they gain information from existing techniques. Now the research result. This section of research report includes a short description of results along with the calculations conducted to achieve the goal. Usually, the exposition after data analysis is carried out in the discussion part. Now, what is in this research discussion? In this section, results are discussed in extremely detailed way with a comparative analysis, and any abnormality concerned during research will be undermarked in the discussion section. And finally, the research reference and conclusion. It includes all the research findings along with mentioning each author, article and content piece from where references were taken.